Bro, I have some money, but I don't know where to invest.
Try stocks or crypto or bonds.
It's too risky, man. One tweet and it all crashes.
I think real estate is safer.
But I don't have that kind of money, bro.
Guys, haven't you heard of co-investing?
Co-investing? What is that?
Okay, let me show you how it works. Co-investing means you don't buy a full property, you invest with others. A company like BRIG puts together money from people like us. Then they invest in solid real estate projects. They do all the research, legal stuff, background checks, everything. When the project matures, earns income, sell over the time. You get your proportional cut.
So I can invest in property without needing millions.
And without chasing builders or signing 20 forms.
Exactly. Just invest and let the pros handle the rest. Start co-investing with BRIG. Real estate, no stress.